Installation and operation of two-valve manifold. The two-valve manifold consists of two independent valves. It is commonly used for protecting and venting pressure transmitters. The isolation valve separates the pressure transmitter from the process line. When closed, it allows maintenance or replacement of the transmitter. The vent valve releases residual media inside the pressure transmitter. This ensures safe operation and calibration under depressurized conditions. Two-valve manifolds are mainly used for pressure measurement. They are applied in single-point pressure measurement applications, such as oil and gas pipelines or boiler pressure monitoring. Connect our two-valve manifold to the transmitter. Install the instrument on the threaded port above the vent-drain valve. Tighten the threads securely. Installation completed. Verify that the isolation valve and drain valve are closed prior to operation. Open the isolation valve during operation. Close the isolation valve when out of service. Open the drain valve and drain port for venting.